Welcome to the 25th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will see this diagram to understand the topical maps with a more deeper look. It is the good example to see the root attributes. Previously, you should remember the root attributes, rare, unique, and attribute filtration. So when you look at here, you see the root attributes that actually we have chosen with some certain type of context. For example, here the water quality is the most important attribute that we have chosen, and here is the derived attribute that is benefits. If you read the case study of Koray, that name is entity attribute value, you will get it what the mean of derived attributes. Section here important because we did not talk about water benefits directly. First we go for the water quality, then from water quality we go to the water benefits, and from water benefits we go to the benefits of mineral water and drinking water before bed, drinking water in morning, and these type of related things. The question rise here, why we focus on a health industry? Basically the purpose of topical authority is you are more authority plus quality plus responsive and the relevance, and you are a better brand than others based on a information triples and the accurate information that you have. And to be able to do that, you will need to show the search engine that you are able to outrank or you deserve to outrank the top authorities in that case. If we target the types of water or food and drinks or bottle design or that type of contextual domains, if I outrank them, still it not give me that much authority. But if I am able to outrank Healthline, WebMD, Medical News Today for a really long time, it will basically tell the search engine algorithm that Civil Party is a website or a brand that actually more accurate and have the richer information from the top authoritative websites. If you are able to outrank top authoritative websites for a really important attributes for your central entity here, that is water, then you will go for other topics way much easier because the clicks that this website is taking here, they are coming from the most important authorities. And if you are able to decrease your cost of retrieval while increasing the quality of index pages, and these quality pages you shown on your home, so whenever the search engine crawler crawl your home page, they see the most important quality pages on your home page, and you will pass the page rank to these pages. All the images are unique and a lot of research and studies, then it means that after a certain amount of time you will actually perceive an authority like this. In a semantics, the first thing that you do is being classified with the top authorities. You would not be like associated or classified with the ordinary blogs or the forums or low quality websites. So that's why instead of going with the recipes, the first topic that we choose YMYL niche topics. And most people do the opposite. They first go for the easy queries, low KD keywords, and that type of stuff. But in our situation, we always wanted to be an alternate first to the top authorities. Then I want to make them to follow me as being the main authority on their specific contextual domain. So it was the reason that we actually processed these area with the mainly 27 to or 28 articles, and then of course we did not process the rest, but this is the overall look of the topical map. The connections here you see, they reflect the possible internal links, but only the 10% of the internal links are here. In reality, it's a way much more. So we will dive it further in the next lecture.